Hi friends, today we have another very short class to work on our abs, an area that really we're better off working a little bit, but frequently. You don't need any props for today's class unless you'd like to sit up on a pillow or block to start out. And we're simply going to begin in any comfortable seat that works for you. Cross-legged is fine, something else is fine as well. Take a moment to sit up nice and tall, pulling the crown of the head towards the ceiling and already feeling a little bit of engagement in the abdominals here. Maybe you'd like to even bring your hands onto your abs just to kind of feel them switch on. And blink the eyes open. We'll inhale the arms up overhead and exhale them to a cactus shape. So elbows are roughly at the same height as our shoulders, and we're inhaling here. Spread the fingers wide. On your next exhale, twist towards the right. Keep the cactus shape as you turn. And inhale, coming back to center. Everything moves all together. Exhale, twist left. Keep that cactus. Look over the back shoulder. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, raise the arms up overhead. One more time like that. Inhale here. Exhale, cactus the arms down, squeeze the abs. Inhale, stay. Exhale, twist towards the right. Maybe you go a little bit further here. The abs are helping us along. Inhale, back through center. We just have one more side. Exhale towards the left. And back to center. Inhale here. Exhale, reach the arms up overhead and then let them slowly drop down to your sides. Very nice. Turn to face the front of your mat and plant both feet. Reach the arms forwards and very slowly we'll start to lower down towards our spine. Stopping once we get the lower back to the mat. So the shoulders are still lifted, the lower back is planted down, and this is certainly a certain amount of core work here. Let's keep the left foot planted and pull the right knee in towards the chest. You could keep the left foot as it is, or you could hover that heel over the mat. And we're going to switch sides a few times. So left knee comes in, right foot goes either to the mat or hovers above it. Just an inch or two. And switch again. And switch. And switch. Keep the lower back pressed down. Switch. Last time, pull the right knee in. Maybe hover that left heel. Stay here. One big in-breath. And exhale. Plant the left foot down. You can keep the shoulders lifted, or if that's enough, you can also lower the head and shoulders down to the mat. Your choice. So let's inhale the right leg up towards the sky. It does not have to be perfectly straight. Flex through the heel. And exhale to lower that leg and hover it over the mat. 3 more times. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower. Last one. Inhale to lift. And catching hold somewhere behind the leg with your hands. Lowering the back of the head down to the mat if it wasn't there already. And just enjoy a little bit of a stretch here through that leg. Breathing in and out. Very nice. Release hold of that leg. Plant that right foot. Pull the left knee in towards the heart and lift the shoulders and head off of the mat, crunching tight. Hugging everything in. Right foot can stay as it is, or maybe you extend that leg and hover the heel, and we switch sides. And switch, and switch. 2 more times, switch. You can do it. And the next time that your left knee is in towards the heart, keep it here. Maybe that right heel stays hovering. Hold, hold, hold. And then plant that right foot. Your choice whether you'd like to set the shoulders and head down as we extend through that left leg and flex through the heel. Inhale here. Exhale to lower the leg any amount, floating it off of the mat. And lift. And lower. 2 more. Lift. Lower. Lift. And lower. And then pull that leg up. Catch hold somewhere behind it. Let your neck and shoulders Relax down onto the mat. Take a deep breath in and out. And let's slowly release through that leg, planting both feet right next to each other on the mat. You can open the arms out to a T shape. We'll simply let both knees fall over towards the right. Just taking a little bit of a stretch here. One deep breath. And then let those knees knock over towards the left. Again, one inhale. And maybe you open the mouth and sigh it out. Let the knees come back towards center. Hug them in towards the chest. Catch hold behind the legs and roll yourself up. Come to any comfortable seat, just like where we started, to give yourself a little pat on the stomach. Thank yourself for your hard work. Coming back to practices like this one regularly will make such a difference in how your entire core and spine feel. Well done, and have a great day.